How to buy slap, the CATSLAP token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to take a look on the X account first. They have a big community. Now, after that, open the X screener and you will find this token. If you don't have an account on the X screener, just go and make one. Now, after you open their website, this is their website. Now, from here, you will buy or you can buy this token. So select one of these crypto that you want to buy with, or select the card as you can see for you. If you select USDT, now type here how much of USDT you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. So after you enter how much of USDT you want to buy, just click on connect wallet, and after that select one of these wallet, and I prefer to select MetaMask for this. Now after that click on connect, and as you can see here, enter how much again you want to buy with USDT, and this is how much you will receive. Now make sure you have the 0.0058 for gas and USDT for the token exchange. So as you can see, make sure to have this. Now after that you can buy it by here, or just as you can see, because I don't have any balance in my wallet, I can't find the button. So for you, you will just click on buy and you will buy this token. So if you click on card, as you can see from here, type how much of dollar you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now as you can see, click on buy slap, and as you can see, click on continue. You are purchasing slap token. Click on continue. Now please wait, we are initializing the vert widget. Now after that, as you can see, you can now enter your mobile phone number to be able to receive a code, to be able to like fill the purchase details. As you can see now here, as you can see, they have the wallet address that you can transfer the money to, and the network fee, as you can see, $12. So after you fill your wallet with USD, you can buy this token, and this is how to buy the slap or CATSLAP token. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.